I ran away from home when I was 15 years old.
Everything starts off good, and then, it kind of ripples, because me and my mom, we didn't actually have that mother-daughter relationship.
It just went from bad to worse, from worse to tragic, and from tragic to, catastrophe. It's just a never-ending cycle.
Mom, she's been a strong mom. She's been there for me, but, I didn't have a steady relationship with my father. He was sort of non-existent.
Because everybody needs somebody, and it doesn't matter, some point of your life, everybody needs somebody, some kind of way.
We can do a part by, changing people's lives by doing one thing, and that's caring. Caring for each other.
I try to save one child at a time because each one of their needs are going to be different. And so you have to look at their circumstances and begin to kind of pick apart what it is you can do.